Hi, my name is Devil Mode, and today I want to talk to you about Lemonade. Not the drink, but actually the insurance company. They're pretty interesting because they're taking artificial intelligence and transforming the industry. So what do I mean by they're taking artificial intelligence and transforming the industry? So how does this process work? Well, first of all, you start by talking with AI Maya, who's a bot that Lemonade uses to set you up with your insurance policy. So it takes about 90 seconds talking with AI Maya, and there you go. You're set up with your homeowner's insurance or whatever it may be. Then if you ever run into problems, you can talk to AI Jim, who handles all of the insurance claims. And in as little as 3 minutes, you can get your claim. Now, the whole idea with injecting artificial intelligence into the insurance industry is to make it so that it is easier and hassle-free for customers to get insurance and get claims. And this is great. Also, Lemonade is very transparent with the money that they're receiving from you. So Lemonade takes a 25% flat fee off of the premium. Excess claims go to the reinsurance companies that they use, and then excess premiums go into what they call the Give Back program, where they will take that money and donate it to a charity of your selection. Now, who doesn't like the sound of that? It sounds pretty nice. It's a very good look for the company, and you know where your money is going. Now, something you need to understand is that the insurance industry as a whole is a $5 trillion industry. And so when Lemonade comes in and disrupts that market and takes a sizable portion of it, they will make a lot of money. And this is a company that you should have on your radar. So how do typical insurance companies make money? First, they make money through premiums. And second, they make money through investments. Now, with the money they're making through premiums, any money that they are not paying out in claims is claimed as profit. And so this really incentivizes typical insurance companies to not pay out their claims. And this creates a conflict of interest between the customer and the insurance company, and it butts them against each other. Now, the other thing that Lemonade is tackling is the actual underwriting process of determining what your insurance policy is. So typically, underwriting is performed by a professional, a human, that looks at the application and determines what kind of policy and how much to charge. But with Lemonade, they are using artificial intelligence and a vast database to determine that. Now, something else to note is that Lemonade targets a very young audience. About 70% of their customers are 35 years of age or younger. And the key here will be Lemonade having a retention on these customers, because as the customers' assets grow, the more insurance that they will need. And Lemonade will hopefully be there to provide them that insurance. So ultimately, I think the process will become more streamlined, consistent, and efficient. So what are the future outlooks for Lemonade, and what are my price targets? Lemonade primarily handles property and casualty insurance, which includes homeowners insurance, renters insurance, condo, and pet insurance. But there are more types of insurance under penalty and casualty insurance, such as auto insurance, toy insurance, and landlord insurance. Additionally, Lemonade is planning to expand into life insurance in early 2021. So this company has a lot of room to grow, a lot of industry to take. Now, if you want Lemonade, it's currently offered in France, Germany, and the Netherlands. As well as in the United States, it's offered in about 30 different states. It depends on which insurance you're looking for. But this again points to the growth that this company can see as it expands its markets, tackles more insurance, as well as more states and more countries. So what's my plan currently with buying this stock? Okay, Lemonade is extremely expensive right now. It is actually insane. And we can thank the Motley Fool for it primarily. So they released a couple articles, and that was really all the fuel it needed to blast off to the moon. So Lemonade reached as high as $188 in the past couple days, but is now settling back down to $172. But that is still very expensive. I don't feel comfortable buying this company at the current pricing, but I'm hoping that Lemonade will pull back to maybe about $120, and that's when I'll start to buy in a little bit. And if it ever drops below $75, I'll buy in heavily, although I doubt it's going to reach that price. That's my current plan, but I'm going to be modifying it over the next couple of weeks, and that'll be mainly based off of what Lemonade is doing. At the $120 range, I would be buying it in my M1 Finance account, which basically allows you to build your own index fund, which is pretty cool, but it helps me stay balanced in how much I'm buying. And with the $75 price target, I would be buying heavily individually. I will be buying in any brokerage account that I have that I can. Now, if anything, I think you should have Lemonade on your radar because it is an interesting company that is doing something that I don't think a majority of the industry is doing, which is using artificial intelligence and making the insurance policy or insurance process so much more easy and hassle-free for the customer. If they can deliver on that second point, that'll be super awesome, and I think they can steal this industry. So these are my initial thoughts on Lemonade. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.